I learned very early on that IE really praises the hands-on experience, and that's what pushed me to go on and participate with my classmates into our first datathon, which was an Amazon datathon, and we really went in with no expectations, and our great surprise, we ended up winning it, and that really gave us the confidence later on to be like, okay, so we can actually compete with other students, we can show what skills that we learned in the classroom and actually see how they can be adapted to real-world problems by actual companies. We learned so much from that one single datathon. We wanted to go more and delve into more initiatives. And that's why we also participated into the World Data League that happened in Portugal, where we had the chance to meet professionals in the field, data scientists that were working for more than 10 years. These datathons and in general these initiatives that were kind of outside of the classroom brought us with so much learning that we really wanted to keep going year by year. And that's why in my second year I wanted to kind of go deeper, and I participated in the tech lab. So IE basically has these labs that are more than just classrooms or courses, but actually a sort of launch pads where you can come with an idea and you can turn it into a project. And I think IE has really put that in our mind. There has always been an emphasis over always having this real-world experiences. So in some of our classes, we got to have actual clients come and pitch their problem to us, and our evaluation criteria was solely based on how we're going to solve the problem for the client, and that really shaped the way that we understand real-world problems, and we try to solve them based on the expectations of the client. What helped me get my job at Amazon, my return offer, was during my interview for that position, I was able to go back and show them what I've learned in these classes and how I was actually able to work on real projects that shows that I have the skills, and that more than just the knowledge and the theory, I actually can apply them to real-world problems. And that is something that comes back a lot in interviews, where beyond just the theory, I think just in general, they want someone who can work in a team, can communicate, can pitch their ideas in a very straightforward way. And I think IE has really put a great emphasis in making every single student here not only have a strong technical background, but also a very soft skill person that can kind of adapt to any kind of environment and any kind of challenge that they're confronted with.